Hello everyone, this is Mohan Krishna. Welcome back to the C++ tutorial. Now in this tutorial you are just going to learn how to perform the basic arithmetic calculation. In previous tutorial you have seen how we perform the addition. Now I am just going to show you how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and how to get reminders and all this stuff you are going to see. Now now first I am just trying to create a variable. I am naming it as a. Now I am just trying to perform an addition. Now see, I just want to perform addition between two numbers. I am just typing as 10 plus 5. Now I want to print out this, so I am just using C out with an extraction operator, two lesser than symbols. I want to print that value of a, and just simply putting a without inversion, without this inverted comma, because it's not an word or it's not an statement. I have previously said, when we are printing any variable such as anything, in this example a is the variable, I am going to print it a. So as a is a variable, we should not put it in an inverted comma. If you put that a in an inverted commas, the compiler thinks it's not an variable but it is a word. So we have the main difference, putting it in an inverted commas and putting without an inverted commas is this one. So remember, now I want to print the value of a and just putting a, and I am closing with an semicolon. Now I will just run the program, see what happens. Now you can see a 10 plus 5, it's 15, the output answer. Now I want to perform an subtraction, just see what happens. I'm just removing this plus symbol and putting minus symbol, right? And now again run the program. Now see, 10 plus 5, it's 5. Now I'll just perform division. Now see what happens. Ten by 5, it's 2. Now I want to find the remainder, so you have to insert the percentage symbol and you have to perform. You know, the remainder, when we divide with 10 by 5, it's 0, so you can see here it's 0. Now I want to make you sure about, like, if in such a case that I'm entering another value as 5, I'm just removing this percentage divided by 5 and 10 minus. No, actually what the people think is that when the compiler is calculating this one, people thinks that this here the 10 will be subtracted by the 10 and then it will be divided by 5 and remaining value will be added to 5. So actually the people thinks is 10 minus 10 is 0, and 0 divided by 5 it's 0, and 0 plus 5 is 5. But actually the answer, we will look out what will be the answer. What the crazy, it's 13, it's not 5. What the compiler, I think you people may start thinking, oh, the compiler don't know how to perform the basic calculation, but the thing is that it have done its job correctly. See here, when an occasion came for 10, whether it should be subtracted or divided by 5, the first preference will be taken to the division or multiplication. Then it will be subtracted from 10 and it will be added to 5. So what actually happens is that 10 divided by 5 is 2, 2 is subtracted to 10, 8, 8 plus 5 it's 13. So when in this type of cases, first division will takes place, or anyhow I'll show with multiplication what happens. So again, what the people thinks, 10 minus 10 is 0, 0 into 5 5, 5 0 into 5 0, 0 plus 5 pi. So we'll look out the answer, what will be the answer. Wow, it's minus 35. What happened again? So again, what happens is that first it have been multiplied, 10 into 5, 50, 50 minus 10, it's 40. Sorry, I am very poor at calculations, don't. 50 minus 10 minus 40, minus 40 plus 5 minus 35. So you can see the output is minus 35. So in any case there will be preference. The first preference will be go to the division or multiplication, then the second preference will be go to the subtraction and addition. So remember this one while you are doing this arithmetic calculation. Thank you for listening.